Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need 2 signed-in Xbox accounts and 2 working controllers before you begin. Once both controllers are showing as active, launch Fall Guys and wait for the main menu to finish loading. From here, press the controller button assigned to the second player. This tells the game to register a local join. Make sure each profile has a name displayed. This avoids confusion during lobby invites. If the second controller doesn't join, try unplugging and replugging. Then press the button again to force detection. Once both players appear in the lobby, choose play and pick a game mode that supports local split screen. Not all limited modes do, so select a standard free-for-all round. You'll see both profiles listed at the lobby side, confirm player order and controller mapping so inputs aren't swapped. Next, check the settings menu for screen layout or resolution options. Adjust for performance versus visual clarity. If the game keeps treating you as one player, back out and re-invoke the second controller join to refresh the session. After confirming both players in the lobby, start the match and watch for the split screen layout to appear during the pre-round sequence. This confirms success. If the screen remains single player, pause, return to lobby, and re-register the second controller. Sometimes a quick restart of the game or reconnecting controllers clears the problem. Also check Xbox privacy and multiplayer settings to ensure local joining is allowed. One key troubleshooting tip: fully quit Fall Guys and reboot your Xbox.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.